What's up, guys? It's your boy E-Man here. I'm just gonna make a quick little video, a small little tutorial on how to replace an Oakley Sutro lens. So over here I have the Prism Jade with the polished black frame. This is how I bought it straight out of the store. And yeah, so I'm gonna get started. First, what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna come to the back side and you're gonna apply pressure right here at the bottom left side and on the bottom right side. So all you would do is you would just push, right? You push the bottom. Don't worry about the frame, just hold it from here. And you would push this corner right here, this side, closer to the nose pad. So once you push, you should hear a little crackle. So right here I have one side out from this side right here that I'm pushing. Then you would do the exact same thing on the opposite side. Remember, close to the nose pad. So you hold the frame from here and you apply pressure with your thumb, and with your index finger you would hold the frame. So I just apply a little bit of pressure and boom, as you can see, it's popped out. So then you come to the front of the frame, and from the front you would push back, right? So you would push from this side right here. So when you push out, give me a sec. When you push out, it should come out of the frame just like that. So then you would come here towards the top side and you would apply pressure here as well. So you just apply pressure from the top of the frame. It doesn't matter which side you do it from. You could do it from the front side or the back side, and it just fell out, but yeah. So you just take it out and then you just do the complete opposite when you're replacing it with the other lens. So what you would do is you would, and sometimes this piece would fall, so don't worry about that. The first time I replaced this, I thought I had messed it up, but it's okay. So you just put it on one side, right? You put it on one side here, one side of the corner. You line it up just like that. You grab the metal piece and you insert it inside. So once you insert it, you just got to make sure that the long side matches with the frame and the small side matches with the nose piece. Once that's done, you just simply put the lenses, you just match the lens with the frame until you hear cracks. You should hear like a little crackle. Once you hear that, that's how you know the frame has been put inside. So as you can see, like, I can wear it, move around, and it doesn't come out. And then I would use, it's a little dirty right now because these are the lenses I would use every day, but I haven't used these glasses in a long time, so it's slowly collected dust. So what I have here is, and I'm not being sponsored by Oakley, obviously. I mean, look where I am. It's a booty place to record, but whatever. I have the Oakley lens cleaner, which is $15 if I'm not mistaken. And something that, in case you guys didn't know, but with this, whenever it runs out, you can just go to the Oakley store and you can refill it for as many times as you like. It's unlimited. It comes with a microfiber cloth, which allows you to clean the frames and the lenses. And yeah, so it looks like this. It's gonna say Oakley lens cleaning kit. Don't confuse it with one that says, I think it says like hydro something. That's just a waterproof one. That one's like $30. This one is $15. All right, and it's gonna look like this. It looks like this. So all you would do is just, open it up. You just go ahead and spray it. You spray it on both sides. Grab your microfiber cloth. Remember, use the microfiber cloth. This one is, I used to work for Oakley, so these are the ones that we would use to clean the glasses and stuff. But it's totally fine if you use this one or the microfiber cloth that the glasses came inside of. You can also use that to clean it. It's highly recommended. So yeah, once you're done cleaning, you have successfully replaced your Oakley Sutro lenses. I hope this was helpful. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll be doing more tutorials soon. Maybe not, depending how I feel. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys are having a great day or a great weekend whenever you're seeing this. And yeah, peace out.